Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying hardware and scene demands. Check GPU RAM and update drivers so Blender can use full capability. Switch to GPU Compute or OptiX in Preferences so you render on the card. Once done, reduce test render resolution to 1/2 and lower tile size. This reduces peak memory spikes while keeping scene fidelity for iteration. You do this first because freeing headroom prevents early out-of-memory errors and speeds up troubleshooting before deeper optimization. Now, you optimize what consumes RAM. Inspect textures and convert to 8-bit or lower resolution like 1024-2048 when quality allows, because higher bit depth and huge maps multiply memory use. Replace duplicated high-poly meshes with instanced linked objects and defer applying modifiers until necessary to limit RAM during previews. Bake complex shader results or use simplified shader variants. Free unused data blocks in Outliner to reclaim memory. These steps lower the scene footprint so your render fits available GPU memory. Finally, tune render workflow and have a recovery plan. Enable persistent data to reuse memory between frames and only enable denoising for final renders to avoid extra RAM. If the scene still exceeds GPU memory, switch to CPU rendering or try hybrid GPU plus CPU features if your Blender build supports them. CPU handles larger scenes, albeit slower. If out-of-memory persists, inspect the console for which object or texture spikes memory, then isolate and simplify that asset. This targeted troubleshooting fixes stubborn OOM cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.